Today, we've got some exciting news for you, from Apple's AI chips to Google's digital defense and Whoop's health revolution. Buckle up, let's dive right in. Apple is pushing the boundaries of its silicon strategy, this time targeting three fronts: wearable glasses, next-gen Macs, and AI servers. The company is developing custom chips to power augmented reality glasses, rumored to be lightweight, power-efficient, and fully integrated into the Apple ecosystem. These chips will enable seamless overlays, contextual AI assistance, and ultra-low latency visuals, bringing immersive AR to everyday life. Meanwhile, new silicon for Macs is being tailored to boost performance in AI workflows, creative software, and energy efficiency, further separating Apple from Intel and AMD. Most surprising, though, is Apple's behind-the-scenes work on AI server chips, designed for use in data centers and likely meant to power services like Siri, Apple Intelligence, and on-device machine learning. For consumers, this could mark the beginning of affordable, stylish AR glasses and longer-lasting MacBooks with supercharged AI tools. In the tech world, Apple's entry into AI servers is a clear shot at NVIDIA's dominance and a move that could reshape the enterprise AI market. As Apple builds smarter machines, another tech giant is focused on keeping users safe while they browse. Google is introducing advanced AI tools into Chrome to proactively block online scams before they can do damage. Using machine learning, the browser can now recognize fake websites, deceptive interfaces, phishing attempts, and unusual user behavior patterns. It can even analyze messages users type into forms, flagging suspicious activity before you click Submit. This marks a shift from passive alerts to active intervention, giving Chrome users real-time security while browsing. The AI learns from patterns across billions of web pages and updates automatically, protecting users from new threats as they emerge. No plugins needed. For you and I, this means safer browsing without the need for technical know-how. For the tech industry, it sets a precedent. AI is now a first line of defense in cybersecurity, raising the bar for competitors like Firefox, Edge, and Safari to keep up. While Chrome defends your online identity, another company is aiming to monitor your real-world health without breaking the bank. Fitness tech company Whoop is flipping the script with its new budget-friendly $50 tracker, a major pivot from its high-end athletic gear. This new device offers essential features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, recovery analysis, and daily strain levels, all integrated into Whoop's app, but with a far lower barrier to entry. It uses lightweight materials, a simple design, and no screen, relying entirely on the app for insights. The focus? Getting more people to build healthier habits through actionable, long-term data without the premium subscription or luxury branding. It's ideal for students, casual fitness users, and anyone curious about their well-being without needing a smartwatch. This changes the game for the public. Health data is no longer reserved for elite athletes or wealthy users. For the tech space, it signals the start of a new era where affordable wearables could dominate the market, pushing competitors to rethink pricing and feature accessibility. And that's all for today. Join us on Monday for another episode. Thank you for watching.